the difference of 0.1 and 0.1 of a number is 1. Find the number. So it's a very simple problem, but there is a small trick. So it's 0.1 dot and it's 0.1. So we know that this is 0.1 is 1 by 10. We know this, but this one, it's not 1 by 10. So it's actually 0.1 dot is 0.1 on. This will go forever. So we will take this as x. So now if we multiply this with 10x, so we will get 1.1 this way. So now we will 10x minus x is equal to 1.1 and this x value is 0.1. So we'll take this as this way. So it will be 9x is equal to what? It will be 1, because it will be subtracted from this number. So we'll write x is equal to 1 by 9. So we can see that 0.1 dot is equal to 1 by 9. So there is a difference. Now what it says in the question, that the difference of 0.1 dot and 1 of a number is 1. So we don't know the number, so we can assume that as a. So a into 1 by 9 minus a into 1 by 10, and this difference is 1. So it will be 90. So 10a minus 9a is equal to 1. So it will be 10a minus 9a is equal to 90. So a is equal to 90. So the number is 90.